Understanding skin tags? What are they? Skin tags, those tiny, soft protrusions that often grace our necks, armpits, and other areas, are a common concern for many. These small growths can vary in size and color, often appearing as flesh-colored or slightly darker than the surrounding skin. While generally harmless, they can be unsightly and sometimes even uncomfortable. The discomfort often arises when they are located in areas prone to friction, such as the underarms or around the neck, where clothing or jewelry might rub against them. These small flesh-colored growths are simply an overgrowth of skin cells, often occurring in areas where skin rubs against skin or clothing. This friction can lead to the development of these benign tumors, which are medically known as acrocordons. Although they can appear at any age, they tend to become more prevalent as we get older. Factors such as genetics, weight gain, and hormonal changes can also contribute to their formation. While skin tags themselves are benign, their presence can sometimes point towards underlying health factors. For instance, they are more common in individuals with diabetes or those experiencing hormonal imbalances. Understanding these underlying causes is key to not only removing existing skin tags, but also preventing their recurrence. By addressing the root causes, such as managing blood sugar levels or balancing hormones, one can reduce the likelihood of new skin tags forming. In the following sections, we will delve into the connection between skin tags and factors like HPV, hormonal imbalances, and metabolic health. These insights will help you understand why skin tags develop and how to manage them effectively. The HPV connection, a closer look. Human papillomavirus, or HPV, is a common virus that can affect the skin and mucous membranes. There are over 100 types of HPV, some of which can cause warts, while others are linked to more serious conditions. Interestingly, certain strains of HPV have been associated with the development of skin tags. While the exact mechanism linking HPV to skin tags is still being researched, it is thought that the virus may stimulate the growth of skin cells, leading to the formation of these small protrusions. This connection highlights the importance of addressing viral infections and maintaining a strong immune system. Hormones, metabolism, and skin tags, unraveling the link. Beyond HPV, hormonal fluctuations and metabolic health also play a significant role in the development of skin tags. Hormonal shifts, particularly those involving insulin and estrogen, can influence skin cell growth. For instance, pregnant women often experience an increase in skin tags due to elevated estrogen levels. Furthermore, conditions like obesity, insulin resistance, and metabolic syndrome have been linked to a higher prevalence of skin tags. Insulin resistance, a condition where the body's cells don't respond efficiently to insulin, can lead to elevated blood sugar levels and contribute to various health problems, including skin tag formation. Tackling the root cause. Lifestyle changes for lasting relief. Given the connection between skin tags and underlying health factors, addressing these root causes is essential for long-term relief. Embracing a healthy lifestyle that supports hormonal balance and metabolic health can significantly reduce the likelihood of skin tag recurrence. One effective approach is adopting a ketogenic diet. This way of eating focuses on consuming healthy fats, moderate protein, and very low carbohydrates. This dietary shift helps stabilize blood sugar levels, improve insulin sensitivity, and promote a healthy weight, all of which can positively impact skin tag development. Incorporating intermittent fasting alongside a ketogenic diet can further enhance these benefits. Intermittent fasting involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting, which can further regulate insulin levels and promote cellular repair. A natural approach, the iodine and garlic remedy. While addressing the root causes of skin tags is paramount, many seek natural remedies to remove existing ones. These natural solutions are often preferred due to their minimal side effects and ease of access. One such remedy involves the combined power of iodine and garlic. This combination leverages the unique properties of both ingredients to effectively target and reduce skin tags. Iodine, known for its antiseptic properties, and garlic, a natural antiviral and anti-inflammatory agent, can be used topically to target skin tags. The antiseptic nature of iodine helps to disinfect the area, while garlic's anti-inflammatory properties help reduce any swelling or irritation. To prepare this remedy, crush a clove of garlic and add a few drops of iodine. Povidone iodine is recommended to create a paste. This paste combines the potent properties of both ingredients, making it a powerful solution for skin tags. Apply this paste directly to the skin tag twice a day, securing it with a bandage. Consistent application is key to seeing results, so make sure to follow this routine diligently. Store the mixture in the refrigerator and make a fresh batch every few days. Keeping the paste fresh ensures that the active ingredients remain effective. Remember to perform a patch test on a small area of skin before applying it more broadly to check for any sensitivities. This step is crucial to avoid any adverse reactions, ensuring the remedy is safe for your skin type. Exploring alternative remedies. Other options to consider. In addition to the iodine and garlic remedy, several other natural options are believed to help with skin tag removal. These remedies are often preferred by those who seek a more holistic approach to skin care. Apple cider vinegar, for instance, is a popular home remedy known for its acidic properties that are thought to help dry out skin tags. The acidity of the vinegar helps to break down the tissue, causing the skin tag to eventually fall off. Similarly, tea tree oil, with its potent antimicrobial properties, is often used topically to address various skin concerns. Its natural antiseptic qualities make it a go-to for many looking to treat skin tags without harsh chemicals. Other remedies include applying diluted oregano oil, known for its antiviral and antibacterial properties. This oil is particularly effective when diluted properly, as it can help reduce inflammation and prevent infection. Or using zinc oxide cream, often used for diaper rash, to soothe and protect the affected area. Zinc oxide creates a barrier on the skin, which can help to reduce irritation and promote healing. Remember to always dilute essential oils like tea tree and oregano oil in a carrier oil, such as coconut oil, before applying them to the skin to avoid irritation. Coconut oil itself has moisturizing properties that can benefit the skin, making it an excellent carrier oil choice. Monitoring your progress. What to look out for. As with any remedy, natural or otherwise, it's essential to monitor your progress and be mindful of any changes in your skin. When using topical remedies like the iodine and garlic paste, you might notice the skin tag changing color, becoming darker or even black, which is a normal part of the process. Continue applying the remedy as directed, and over time the skin tag may shrink and eventually fall off. However, if you experience any discomfort, irritation, or unusual changes in your skin, discontinue use immediately and consult with your healthcare provider. Embracing a holistic approach. Dealing with skin tags can be frustrating, but understanding their root causes and adopting a holistic approach is key to lasting relief. Remember, while natural remedies can be helpful, they are most effective when combined with lifestyle changes that address underlying health factors. By prioritizing a healthy diet, regular exercise, and stress management techniques, you can support your body's natural healing processes and minimize the occurrence of skin tags. Embrace a holistic approach to your well-being, and remember to consult with your healthcare provider for personalized guidance and support. For more on how to begin intermittent fasting, click on this video next.